Welcome back, DIYers. In today's video, we're going to check out the Home Depot Spring Black Friday sales going on right now. So let's dive in. All right, to get us started, we see this patio dining set set at $99. You can see the whole setup right here. We want to show you the picture and then also just the little setup we got right there. That's a really great set for, just getting outside and getting everything going out there. $99 is a really good deal for that one. Then we also see this larger umbrella right here. You can see that you can move that one different ways and stuff like that for $400. Still another great deal. It even has the heavy duty bottom right there, so you can move that around and put it wherever you need. Another great deal is some of this ultra feed. We can see that free with the purchase of Turf Builder. So again, great option for whatever you might need. Also free refill with the purchase of the Roundup grass killer. So get the little refill as that as well. They also had some of these Ryobi options still on sale. You can see the little chainsaw here, weed eater, blower, and also the little 2 combo kit. Great things. Ryobi's a great brand. We have a grill. You see this Next grill. Pretty good price for that one. Similar to the Blackstone. I've never used one, but I've heard some pretty good stuff about them. So pretty good deal on that one right there. Then right here next as well, we also have another Next grill. Down from $250 to $199. So again, a little propane option right there for the warmer weather. Then we have some Milwaukee deals. Always a great thing to check these out. Have the weed eaters with the grass starting to grow again. $350. Another one right here. We have the Insect Home Defense, $10. Get to save $7 on that one, and then also a free sprayer right there when you purchase the Roundup earlier, like I showed you. Then we have a couple of just different deals right here for Ryobi. You see the little combo kit right there for $300. Good option for, again, springtime. Then we see some more free tools. When you buy this one kit, you get one of these free tools here. So whichever one you might want, different trimmers, and you can see just different options right there. So different ones. You also buy the lawnmower, you get the blower for free. You'll need it anyway to kind of clean everything up. So it's a great another purchase there for Ryobi. A couple other options here for the 20 volt. You see this with the blower, chainsaw, also the trimmer, and then the super values right there on the right. You can see we saw that just a second ago. The lawnmower, a little bit heavier duty right there with the 21-inch, and then also the battery fast charger here for $200. A couple other great tools. You can see these are for more DIY options here. $79 for the blower or the trimmer, and then also another trimmer setup right here for $199. You could check that out. So another great deal for that one. Little bundle here is talking about. So a good deal for that one. You can see the blower right here for $150. And they also had some of the trimmer line there. We also see a few more good Milwaukee tools right here. We got the sprayer. A little expensive for a sprayer, but probably going to last you a long time. Got some batteries and also some trimmers. A little pruning saw right here, and then also the pruning shears. All for the $150 price right there, so a great deal. And we see some of their big deals right here. You buy the kit up top, and then you get one of these free tools. So again, trimmers, string trimmers, and blowers, and also the chainsaw as well. Super savings over there. You see the lawnmower, also the trimmer and the blower. So again, some good deals on those. Then Makita even has some options. A little blower kit here, $230. Also right next to that, we got the string trimmer, little weed eater for $230 as well, 13-inch. We have the pruning saw here for Milwaukee, little hatchet, and the blower $179, and also the string trimmer right here for $229. Next, we see Ryobi has their pressure washer here, 1800 psi pressure washer for $99. Really good price for that, and then a couple of attachments right there as well. DeWalt has their deals. You can see all of these pressure washers, saws, batteries, and blowers, and different stuff again for the spring. So if you're in DeWalt, great thing to go ahead and check out right here. Bunch of good deals on those. They had this Murray lawnmower. Check this one out. I did want to let you guys know I will have links for a lot of these items down below. You can check them out down there. Also, feel free to leave a like and subscribe so you never miss another deal. And I even have a newsletter that goes out every week just showing the best deals going on right now. So if you're interested, you can check that out down below as well. See another lawnmower here, $388 with that spring has sprung. Already started cutting my grass. Great thing to go ahead and check some of these out. A couple more tool deals. See some of these kind of left over from Christmas time, but some good ones for Ryobi. I think Ryobi has a lot of good deals going on right now. Really great DIY brand. Going to do a good job. See some of these little angle grinder here and recip saw. More DeWalt hand tools. I do think these are all the corded options. You can see the prices are really good if you're wanting a corded option instead of a battery. So if you have some power source wherever you go, probably a great thing to check out these. Get a little bit more bang for your buck there. And they're probably going to be strong as well. A few more DeWalt tools, little hand tool options for these. See those depending on which one you might need. The drill, saws, and batteries, stuff like that. So really good deals on those. Little ratchets. Impact wrench here, $2.99, and then also the extended ratchet right there. And then you can check out some of these smaller tools right here. Some impacts, and then even some drill bits and stuff. Get a few dollars off of those. They did have this 4-tool combo kit for $400, so you get to save a little bit buying that combo. Also the hammer drill for $170, and then the fast charger here for $100. Here's another one for turf builder, Bermuda seed. Get saved $10 right there for that one. Pennington seed was 42, now it's down to $28, so great deal for that one. Whether you're going to be overseeding or just kind of seeding some areas of your house. Then they also saw these garden hoses on sale, $10 off of that one. Really good price. And then a couple of different tools here from Ridgid. A little mud mixer, a router, $119. Also have the belt sander. Better be careful of those. They can get going. Orbital sander. Also the recip saw, $99. And then circular saw here for $100 as well. And then lastly, the oscillating multi-tool. More tools here from Ridgid. Pretty good deals on these, especially Ridgid's a great brand. They're going to do a good job. I have seen them on sale a lot recently. I don't know if they're trying to move them or what's going on, but check these out. Then Makita has a couple more tools as well. See some of these angle grinders, circular saw, multi-tool here. Also the jigsaw, $200. Yeah, the finishing nailer, $329 for DeWalt. A combo kit here for DeWalt, speaker, batteries on these as well. And then we have the rotary hammer, $539, heavy duty right there for Milwaukee. They also had some of these vacuums, great thing to pick up right now with a spring Black Friday. Another vacuum option right there, $129 for this one. Then outside, they had a bunch of their riding lawnmowers for sale. You can see some of the prices on those, depending on the size and the brand, but get to save $100 off of these. John Deere, great brand. Going to run for a long time. Also, right next to these, see a couple more options here for the Cub Cadets. So again, really good deals. Let me know in the comments what type of lawnmower that you guys use. I'd love to know that. I have a couple different ones that I've been using, a couple different deals that I've gotten over the past couple years. Lasting a pretty good while. I don't use a riding lawnmower. That would be nice. I still use a push. My yard's not super large, so push has worked well for us. You can see a bunch of these again right here. A lot of deals on these at the beginning of the season right here. But you do get saved $100 on this one, $3,600 and $3,500 right here. Another Cub Cadet option. They had a bunch of these. Again, different ones outside. You see people have been trying these out. Another $3,700, a little bit wider on some of these, but still really good deals. But overall, I think there's some great deals going on right now at your local Spring Black Friday at your Home Depot. Let me know in the comments what you guys plan on grabbing, and if this was helpful, feel free to leave a like and subscribe. You can check out some of the items I have linked down below, and I will see you in the next video.